back to my channel. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my last video, which was me cleaning up my kitchen. And as you guys can see, as I promised, I'm going to be tackling our pantry and our fridge and freezer today. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna pop in every now and again to like show you guys like exactly what I'm doing. Again, if anybody has tips on how to get the glare off of glasses when you're filming, please leave them in the comment section down below. Yes, I know I could get contacts, but guess what? I love my glasses, so I'm gonna wear them. But that is gonna be pretty much it today. I say way too many times, and I am trying to stop doing that. So let's get to this. Enough with the chit chat. Ooh, side note, I'm not gonna be using the Miss Meyer's peony multi-purpose spray. Why? Because I'm dealing with food and I don't want fragrance. So I'm going back to my vinegar, water, and this time I am using lemon essential oil because it's awesome and it smells good and my face is gonna be all up in it. So yeah, all right, you guys, let's do this. Mom is making scary noises, huh? Yeah. Everything has been taken out of the pantry and the pantry has been cleaned. I am quite amazed at the amount of stuff that I have. I did not realize how much stuff was in the pantry. So I'm going to be going through and I'm going to be tossing expired stuff. Also, I noticed, you guys, an abundance of raw almonds. Not only that, raw almonds, light brown sugar, like seriously? And I have a whole bunch of powdered sugar. Like, why do I need this much powdered sugar? So yeah. We're gonna condense stuff too, so let's do this. bird. Last one. Go girl. What? All done. Yeah, we did good, Pen. Yeah, you did good. High five. Yeah, we got the pantry done. We got the pantry all done. Yeah, we are so good. Right. Now we're gonna do the fridge. Before we do that though, we're gonna take some beautiful after while cleaning out the pantry, my dog loves boxes, to tear up boxes. Gave her these two. No, wasn't gonna happen. Oh, that's the lone can that I'm taking out. This is what a good girl. Look at that. Look at that good girl. Yes. You got your box? Yeah, did you get it? You got the box good, didn't you, baby girl? Yes, you got that box good. What about this piece, though? This is way too big of a piece. How did you let this one go? Good girl, get the box. Get the box. Wow. Wow. Look at you go. Good girl. Okay guys, so now we are going to be tackling the fridge. Dun, dun, dun. We're going to clean the outside and the inside. And I am also, this is kind of like our message center. Well, not really message center, but just decoration. I don't like a lot of things on the front of the refrigerator, so I have everything on the side, but I do need to kind of clean that up a little bit. So yeah. So we keep our trash can over there next to my craft area. Hate it, but we do what we gotta do. And we keep our recycle bin over here. You guys, look what I just found. Traveling time. Can you guys see that? You can, look. And it's like the perfect, yes. It's just like from the rubbing of the, oh my God. So gross, we are cleaning that right now. Oh, thank God it came off right away. Oh. They don't fit in my sink. Bastards. Well, not really. I still have like a whole mess to clean up, but let me show you guys. Come along. That is it. That is a wrap on the kitchen. Yes! Faraway high five. I hope this inspired you guys to go ahead and give yourself time to just kind of deep clean, and it feels so good. Now, I don't do this all the time. I, no joke, do this maybe twice a year. I definitely try to do it once a year. And it just makes the everyday cleaning a lot easier. It also makes the deep cleaning, because of my everyday cleaning, it makes the deep cleaning a lot easier as well. So I hope you guys get inspired and start doing this purge with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can follow me along in this whole purging process. And also, don't forget, I do bullet journaling videos, you guys. So stop by and watch one of those. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because that's gonna let me know that you guys are actually even enjoying these videos. And also, there was something else I was gonna say. Brain fart! I don't know. No clue. All right, that's the end of the kitchen purge 2019. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. want to see me sort through the stuff? Do you guys want to see me just put it back in? That's what she said. I think I am going to just show you guys putting it back in. Keep it G.